Federal transportation mask rules remain in question while communities are seeing an uptick in COVID-19 cases, leading some uneasy about what the COVID risk is where they live. To get ahead of potential outbreaks, News 19's Joe Minnie explains how public health departments are turning to wastewater as a resource for information.
It was realized quite early during the pandemic that COVID-19 viral RNA is shed in stool. So because everybody goes to the bathroom, pretty much every day, it's a potentially very interesting way to think about aggregating a lot of data from a whole community into a single measurement so that we can get a sense of how COVID-19 is impacting the community.
Once Wisconsin's Department of Health Services started wastewater surveillance, that measurement became a leading indicator to help public health officials gauge the extent of the virus spread in their area.
We know that about half of the people who get COVID-19 will have detectable viral RNA in their stool, and that can persist in some cases for many, many months.
Testing wastewater has become even more vital as data on reported COVID cases has become less reliable.
Many more people are testing at home, where those tests are not often reported to the county and to the state. It can be a situation where we can get a sense that there's COVID-19 rising in the community, even though case numbers at the reported level are not changing.
Going forward, the capabilities of wastewater can apply to other viruses like influenza and foodborne pathogens.
Nobody wanted the pandemic to happen. Everyone is absolutely sick of the pandemic, but I think we would be foolish not to take advantage of some of the things technologically that the pandemic has brought us. Wastewater, I think, is an excellent example of that.
In La Crosse, I'm Joe Minnie, News 19.
Dr. Kenny says that wastewater could also have other applications, like providing a window into tracking drug abuse in a community by monitoring levels of opioid utilization. Wisconsin DHS has 68 sites under its surveillance to see La Crosse or other communities near you. You can look for the story, of course, on WXOW.com.